welcome to Today Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty.
To witness Christian Dior's Fall-Winter 2024 collection at Paris Fashion Week, actress Jennifer Lawrence attended with a great tailored suit look, all glamorous.
When the actress arrived at the event, she seemed in a hurry, but she greeted the attendees and seemed in a good mood. But when she was inside and waiting to pose for the cameras, she looked annoyed and bored. When she posed, she smiled and looked in a good mood. During the event, she looked hot. She cooled herself with a fan. At the end of the event, Jennifer was seen leaving in a hurry and bored. She was even seen yawning.
We don't know why she was like that. Maybe she wanted to get home quickly.
If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone. If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.